I recently got my hands on this, the Tolaccea, not sure how to pronounce it, Packpro T10. My first impression was that this looked like a really solid bag for tech, for work and for travel. And after using it for a couple of weeks, I think that first impression was right, because this is a bag that offers a lot of function for the price, and more importantly it feels like it's been designed for people who actually need their bag to work hard. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, bags, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry carries you. Now, a quick transparency note. Tolaccea sent this bag out to the channel ahead of release. There was no payment, no script approval, and they haven't seen this video before it's gone live. And I do get to keep the bag. So this is the T10, a 32 litre backpack, and straight away this feels like a bag that sits in an interesting middle ground. It's not tactical, it's not outdoorsy, and it's not a tiny everyday bag, and it's not pretending to be some luxury backpack either. It sits somewhere between a work bag, a tech bag and a travel bag, and that's really how I describe it. A crossover backpack. The kind of bag that you could use for work, an overnight stay or a short trip without feeling like you're carrying something overbuilt or out of place. Just to run through the basics first. This is a 32 litre bag made from laminated waterproof rPET material, so basically recycled plastic, but with a fairly rugged, structured feel. It measures 50 by 30 by 23 centimetres and weighs around 1.2 kilos. So it's not tiny, but it's still very manageable for the kind of role this bag is trying to fill. You've also got YKK zippers, which is always a reassuring sign, especially on a bag sitting well below premium brand pricing. For me, the standout feature here is the laptop section, because this really does feel like a bag built around the idea that your tech matters. You've got a suspended laptop compartment, strong padding, a false bottom, and this protective flap design that gives it a really secure feel. My 13-inch MacBook Pro disappears into it, but it will take up to a 15.6-inch laptop. And this is one of those areas where the bag feels more serious than the price might suggest. Because if your laptop is the center of your setup, this part of the design makes a lot of sense. Then you've got the main compartment, which opens out clamshell style. That makes a big difference because you're not just digging down from the top trying to find things. You can actually lay it open and see what you're doing. And it feels deceptively roomy. There's enough space here for a proper work setup or for travel use with clothes and gear without the bag feeling huge from the outside. There are also top access pockets, hidden storage for smaller items and enough organisation to keep things tidy without making the whole thing feel over-designed. And this is where the T10 starts to show how much Tolaccea have packed into it. There's a 10 litre wet-dry compartment, which is one of the more unusual features here. Now that won't matter to everyone, but if you're carrying gym gear, wet kit, or just want to separate certain items from the rest of your setup, I can absolutely see the appeal. You've also got side zippered pockets with internal organisation. There's a built-in key leash, a very hidden AirTag storage pocket. There are dual water bottle pockets for bottles up to 10 centimetres in diameter. There are top and side carry handles and a horizontal luggage pass-through. Plus, on the carry side, there are padded shoulder straps. There's an adjustable sternum strap, which interestingly features a whistle. And a nice touch for those of us that don't have the need for them is a removable waist belt. Some of those things you may use all the time, some of them maybe not, but together they make the bag feel flexible, and that's really the point of this design. So who do I think this bag is actually for? Not someone looking for a lightweight everyday backpack, and not someone who wants a minimalist setup. This makes more sense for someone who wants a proper work bag, a tech heavy carry, a gym and work crossover, or a travel friendly backpack with more structure than a basic day bag. This for me is the kind of bag you reach for when you need a full setup. Laptop, charger, tech, admin gear, and still enough room left for a change of clothes or extra kit. And that's where the value starts to make sense. At around £100, this isn't trying to compete with premium backpack brands, but it also doesn't feel cheap. It feels accessible, and more importantly, it feels like a bag that gives you a lot of practical function for the money. That, to me, is the strongest thing about it. Not that it's flashy, not that it's trying to reinvent anything, just that it feels useful. So overall, the Packpro T10 feels like a solid, well thought through work and travel backpack. It's practical, it's nicely structured, and it offers a lot of features for the price. If that kind of crossover bag is what you're looking for, this is definitely one worth looking at. If you want to check it out for yourself, I will leave links down below. If you enjoyed the video, a like really helps. And if you're into this kind of content, a subscribe would be amazing. Thanks again to Tolaccea for sending the bag out to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.